Hey, what's up, soldiers? Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. Always a pleasure to have you all here in the kitchen with me. Last week it was Thanksgiving here in Canada. I know I have a lot of ham left back, so I'm thinking, quick recipe. I'm going to share something with you guys, a ham fried rice. Let's go dig in the fridge there and see what we can find. What else? You know, it's just the bare ingredients we have left. But that doesn't mean to say we can't get something nice to eat. It's Sunday morning, fried rice, ham, breakfast. Breakfast fried rice. Stay tuned. And there is some of that leftover ham that I've got there. And what I found in the fridge was some white rice. And you want it chilled. It's already cooked. I've got a piece of carrot, a couple scallions. We've got some oyster sauce there, some light soy sauce, a pimento pepper, a habanero pepper. That's going to lose a piece of that, a massive clove of garlic, and some frozen peas. And you know, I keep saying breakfast fried rice, but this is a good dinner. Whatever you want to use it for, lunch, whatever. I've got about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in my wok here, and you really want to prepare everything in advance, so because this will go fast. The diced ham, and diced really fine. And I'm just going to keep it in here for about a minute or two, because as you notice, there's some fatty parts of that ham, and I really want to render down some of that fat, because that's going to add a ton of flavor to the finished fried rice. As it renders down, and I'm not going on a very high heat at this point yet, you know, you see a lot of Chinese food being cooked on very high heat, and there's a reason for that. But at this point, I just want to render down some of that fat, as I said. My carrots, really fine dice as well. Give that another mix in that. Oh, and the smokiness from that ham is really shining through at this point here. And the whole idea now is to just soften up that carrot a bit. It's been about a minute since I added the carrot. My heat is still on medium high. Here's how I'm going to go in with those frozen peas. Give that a mix as well. We've got the pimento pepper, thinly sliced. And we've got the habanero pepper, no seeds, just chopped up a little. And that is totally optional. I like a little kick in my fried rice, and that is why you're seeing that in there. Here's you're going to add a couple of the flavor ingredients. We got that chopped garlic in there. And here's where I'm going to add the oyster sauce. And the reason why I'm adding the garlic now is because I didn't want that garlic to burn. And right away you're going to start smelling that lovely aroma of garlic and that oyster sauce, boy, I'm telling you. And we're almost done. It's only been about 4 minutes. And this is where we're going to add that rice. And my rice is still cold. And the key to a good fried rice, in my humble opinion, is the rice must be boiled in advance and chilled or steamed, whatever works for you. Now I know my rice has already been salted, so I'm not going to add any more salt to this dish here, but I will add that light soy sauce, which will bring in that sodium element. And speaking about soy sauce, this is where I'm adding my soy sauce now. And basically all you want to do is incorporate all these ingredients together, flavors together, and your fried rice is just about done. It's only been about under 8 minutes, about 7 minutes so far. I'm going to crank up my heat a little bit more now, because I really want to just warm up that rice. I don't want everything going soggy on me. Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. Always a pleasure to have you guys here in the kitchen with me. A quick and simple ham fried rice using all the ingredients left over from Thanksgiving here in Canada. Christmas is coming up. I know the Americans have their Thanksgiving coming up. You know, you'll have ham, you'll have some extra rice in the fridge, and there's things you'll have already. Some scallions, boom bam, you're all done. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.